In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create a competitor SWOT analysis. The goal of this process is to turn scattered competitor information into a clear, useful comparison that helps you make better business decisions. Instead of guessing what a competitor is doing well or where they may be vulnerable, you'll use AI to organize the data and highlight practical insights. Start by gathering raw data on your competitor. This can include website text, customer reviews, and product descriptions. The more relevant and specific the material is, the better the analysis will be. Website copy can reveal how the competitor positions itself, what benefits it emphasizes, and who it appears to be targeting. Customer reviews are especially valuable because they often expose recurring strengths, frustrations, and unmet expectations. Product descriptions can help you identify features, pricing language, and the overall value proposition. As you collect this information, focus on quality and relevance rather than just volume. Once you have the material ready, paste the data into Claude AI or upload any relevant PDFs or documents. If your information is spread across multiple sources, it's helpful to keep it organized so the AI can process it more effectively. Clean formatting can improve readability and make the output more structured. If you're uploading files, make sure they contain only the information you actually want analyzed and remove any sensitive or private details before submitting them. Next, enter a structured prompt that clearly tells the AI what you want. Use this. Analyze this data and create a SWOT matrix comparing my product to this competitor. A strong prompt matters because it gives the AI a defined task and a specific framework. In this case, the SWOT matrix helps break the comparison into strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, making the final output much easier to interpret and act on. After the first response, continue with follow-up questions to go deeper. Ask the AI to identify target market gaps and actionable key takeaways. This is where the real value often appears. A basic SWOT analysis is useful, but follow-up questions can uncover underserved audience segments, messaging opportunities, product improvement ideas, or areas where your competitor is falling short. Keep the conversation focused on practical outcomes so the insights are easier to apply. By the end of this process, you'll have a clearer picture of your competitor, your own positioning, and the strategic opportunities you can act on next.